Salisbury is an American manufacturing company staffed with artisans from really across the East Coast who have come together here in the Eastern Shore of Maryland. And today we produce some of the finest sterling silver and pewter hollowware in the country.
Salisbury manufactures hundreds of different items in pewter, sterling, and aluminum. For every milestone in your life, Salisbury makes a product. Baby goods, we do baby cups, we do rattles. Graduations, we do julep cups, picture frames, desk accessories. For weddings, we do brides, groomsmen's and bridesmaids gifts. So for every milestone in your life, there's a product from Salisbury that can go with it. What makes Salisbury special is our dedication to country, community, and craft. Our community, we have 50-some employees here who are dedicated to that cause of making a quality product, and we're proud of it here in the United States. And then the craft. Our craftsmen are constantly training, are striving to do better on each piece that we make. Put all that together and you end up with a quality company. If I could describe Salisbury in one sentence, it would be a group of people dedicated to keeping the old world traditions alive and looking forward to the future.